Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. I greatly appreciate it. I have an AIA beauty bundle. This one scares me a little bit. Okay, while I open this up, it says be strong, be beautiful, be you. The AIA beauty bundle is $38 a month. I think we get free shipping in the US, access to new brands or influencers each month. This box is basically a brand takeover box each month. Value of over $100 each box. They do donate $1 from each box sold to charity. And in this month's box, the brand is LYS Beauty. And we do get a description and price on the back. This did scare me. I was a little skeptical. I had made a few comments and was talking to some other creators on Instagram and Twitter, and they thought that it would still be okay, that they had enough product that it could still be a good box. So I said, you know what, all right, I'm not going to skip it. So here's a little peek in. I'm trying to think I have a few products from them. The one that I pull for all the time, I don't know if I can reach it. I think I can. Ooh, yeah, barely. Is my LYS bronzer, and this is, I think, No Limits matte bronzer, Motivate Light. I use this frequently. A little bit of kick out this right here, and I love it. I hope I don't get this in this box, but the packaging is great. I mean, you could, if you had to, you could use it for a mirror, even though it doesn't give you the right coloring, but in a pinch, you could use that if you needed to. So I love that, and that I grabbed for that bronzer probably the most. So I just hope, like I said, we don't get it in this box. Foam is, I love the foam, but it's always a hassle. So I'm just going to start pulling out. This is Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Now I do have a primer from them. I don't know if it's this one. It might be. Primer is $20. This is a lightweight serum primer that minimizes the look of pores and excess oil for a flawless base. Right here. Sometimes it is easier to open things from the bottom. I love their packaging. It's just so slick and unique. You can see the shape of their base. Once again, quick little, I mean, that's distorting, but that's the primer. I do believe I have this. Ooh, as I'm throwing it all over the place. I do believe I have the primer. And if I have it, I'll share. Oh, that does not want to stay with me. So it could sit there until we're done. If I have it, I'll share it because I don't need to. I have tons of primer, and then I'll let one of you try. But I do think I have that exact primer. If it's different, I'll keep it. But if it's the same, it'll get shared. The next product right here says Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum. I think this was one of the spoilers we saw. This is $28. This is a vegan skin quenching face serum that leaves behind a succulent glow and long-lasting hydration. I know I don't have this. Like I said, I only have a few items from them. Oh, this is pretty. Look, everything is like beautiful packaging, glass. You can, you guys can see all that in there. Like, you can just see. Oh, that's pretty. Think Bright. And this is a dropper. I'll show it to you. I'm not going to put it on. It's right there. Do we have a scent? No, no scent. This is really pretty. Like, their packaging is gorgeous. I'm not going to mess with that. Gotta save that for last. Looks like we have a little sponge right here from them. Odd, shaped like their packaging right here. This is $10. Confident Precision Makeup Sponge. A unique triangle shaped sponge applicator designed to quickly blend complexion products on the face, leaving behind an airbrushed, streak-free finish. Some of these, it's like a commercial. So that's really cute, and I love it. It's their same coloring, like that pink, a little bit of mauve pink. Okay, we have this package here. So I hope this isn't, oh, it's not. Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush. $16, an everyday satin matte cream blush that delivers high payoff that caters to all skin tones and makeup looks, whether glam or natural. Okay, do we have a shade? If we do, I can't see it. Oh wait, what's this say on here? Confident. It says it right there real small. I don't know if that'll focus. So let me get this open. How exciting. I'm glad when as soon as I lifted that up, I saw the shape and I'm like, oh, please don't be the bronzer. So nice. Oh, this is not as shiny. This is like a almost like a matte finish, even though it's not, they're all hard plastic, but it's not that sheen. Let's see what, oh, that it has a mirror. Oh, that's really nice. And this is a blush, so it's a cream blush. That feels nice. There it is right there. Let's just put it on. Oh, that is pigmented right there. I'm just gonna, oh, I'm sorry, I probably didn't hold that up long enough. Let's just dab some on, because I would dab it. I wouldn't streak it across my face like that. Let's close her up and let me see. It's definitely blendable. Okay. So it blends up nice. I mean, obviously go light-handed with it. Don't go as heavy as I did. I mean, I'm doing it for demonstration purposes. But that's pretty. I mean, that when you blend it out, it's not real dark. A little bit of a sheen to it, but nice. It says a matte cream blush, so I wonder if it dries down, which it might. We have a couple more products in here. This is Aim High. I would assume maybe a highlighter. Aim High multi-use liquid highlighter in, I guess, Fearless. No, it just says highlighter Fearless. This says Genuine Rose Gold is my color. So right here, this is $19. Multi-purpose liquid highlighter right here. Highlighter booster that can be used over, underneath, or mixed with your foundation to give your skin an undeniable, healthy looking glow. I wonder if that's the shade. I wonder if that's the color that's in there. I don't know. I don't want to like try all these out. They're all sealed. I want to leave them sealed in case I decide not to use them. Then I can share them. Oh, why can't I close that? Beautiful packaging though. They really do have some stunning packaging. So we have this product here, and this says Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil, $12, and Irresistible High Shine Lip Treatment Oil that replenishes lips with vital moisture for all-day hydration. That box is kind of beat up there. We're sealed, so let's unseal you. I mean, $38. This box, it's a little pricey, but nice stuff. Oh, even this is shaped just like their product right here. Cute. How does this work? Oh, so it's just one of those types that you just, you know, put on your lip. Let me get some out. So it's just an oil. Very, you know, I don't see any color. Maybe on my lips, excuse me, maybe on my lips I would, but I don't see any color right now. On my arm, maybe just like a slight little, like almost like a peach, maybe. Let me pull that back out. Yeah, maybe that's the color that you see inside. Just a slight, how that goes back in there. So then that's that. And then here, which I'm glad, because you know, you can't color match people if you don't give options. They gave us this, and this, you know, it's just an extra item. Foundation blister sample card, and this, and then they give us a discount code to use at LYS Beauty for 25% off. So maybe if we wanted to purchase a foundation, light to medium coverage, natural skin like finish. It's vegan, available in 35 shades. And this is the Triple Fix Serum Foundation with HA, turmeric, which is very good for your skin, and ashwagandha. I don't know if I said that right. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades right here. They sent me on this, and maybe the packs are different, but they offer 35 different shades. I mean, I will try the LN6, but that might still, I would try this one. That might still be a little too dark. I might have to go like in these tones here, the lighter tones down this end of the card. LG1, LN3, LG3, or LP4, might even LG6. That's LN6. That's a little dark, but you never know. You can't tell from this. You need to put it on like the side of your face to see. I like that they did that, because then if we have a discount code on the card to save 25%. So I don't know the pricing of these of this. Everything else seems fairly priced. I mean, nothing seems like way, you know, $50 or anything like that. Everything seems fairly priced. So I'm sure this is not overpriced compared to other, you know, foundations or even their product line. So I might take a look at that and see. You never know. If that's what the bottle looks like, it's not too bad with the pump, which I like all that. So I like that they sent that. At least we could try. You know, maybe they tried with all the different little blister packs to at least get a shade or two that you might be able to use. You know, obviously I would never be able to use the deeper tones, but like, you know, I'll give it a shot. So let me know, did you skip this AIA because it was LYS? You know, I thought about it for a hot minute. I truly did. And was like, oh, you know, like if they don't have a huge product line. I mean, they don't have, you know, like hundreds of products where they could really give you some variety, and AIA does not customize. You can't say, I want shade such and such for my foundation. They just don't do that. I wish they would, because then we could have gotten a foundation. But I'm happy with everything else that we received. There's nothing here that I don't like. I might share the highlighter. I really think I'll keep everything else. Like, I like that blush. I mean, I would go super light. First off, I'd go in with, I would use a brush just a little bit and dab and then blend it out. You can always build it up. And if you get too much on, you could just keep on blending, and I think eventually it would bring it down some. But that is my AIA beauty bundle for August 2022. I would love to know your thoughts. If you got the box, do you like it? I don't think, if you've never tried LYS Beauty, you won't be disappointed. I have used their primer. I love their bronzer. I have something else from them. I don't know what it is. I would have to look through my drawers when I'm done with this and see if I can figure it out. You know, their packaging does stick out, because a lot of their, I think I have another product like this. So easy to spot in your drawer, their packaging. And I'm not disappointed in their products that I currently have and use. So hopefully I love all this stuff. But like I said, if I have the primer that hit the floor, if I already have this exact primer, because I don't know if they have more than one type of primer, then I will definitely share the primer, and I'll keep everything else for myself. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and continues to do so. If you're not a channel member and you would like to join and support the channel, all that money that I get from channel memberships, it goes directly into my shipping fund so that I can ship giveaways out. If you can't do that, and that's not something in your budget, because that's a recurring monthly charge, down right below the video, there's a little heart with a $sign in it with thanks next to it. That's called Super Thanks. You can make a one-time donation to the channel. That all goes into shipping also. There are two options. I have a birthday card list. I haven't mentioned that in a while. I send out birthday cards in the beginning of each month to cover the whole month. I would love to mail out more birthday cards. I have mailed international cards already, several. I have one going to, I think September. It's going all the way to India. So I know when the birthday is, so I'm going to mail that like maybe a week sooner, because I felt horrible. I mailed Curry Millar's birthday card. She's in Australia, New Zealand. I forget which one. I know, but then when I go to say it, I forget. So she's on the other side of the world from me. And I thought I gave 2 weeks, because was in the beginning of the month. And I'm like, and then she told me she got it late. I said, oh my. Well, when I went to the post office, I asked the post office, I'm like, how soon do I need to be mailing this stuff? Like, I've mailed packages. I have a friend in Australia. I've mailed packages, not just a card, and it didn't take that long. Like, what was the deal? And here he told me all mail except priority, like express, things like that, was on hold going into Australia and New Zealand for like about a month. I guess maybe, I don't know if the pandemic was flaring up in those countries or what was going on, but they literally stopped all the like cards, like first class mail, anything, like I said, express, priority boxes, things like that. Packages were going in, but not like normal, like letters and cards and things like that. They just weren't sending them. They were being held in New York and not even sending them. I'm like, well, I wish you would have told me when I mailed the card. I mean, I still would have mailed it, but so the one that I have for India in September, I'm going to mail that a week or two sooner because that's, you know, that's still far. And I would love the cards to get there before your birthday. And, you know, I feel bad if you're at the end of the month because I mail them in the beginning so that everybody can get their card. You just have your card a little bit longer, that's all. So please join the birthday card list. It's in the description box. You just have to send me an email with your real name, if it's not what you use on YouTube, your mailing address, and tell me what day of that month your birthday is. You don't even have to do that. You could say, I'm mid-October. Done. I'll mail your card out. I know basically, and I'll send you a birthday card. I have plenty of stamps. I bought a few extra international stamps. I know I need one for September. I don't need any more for the rest of the year. So I have one for September. But if somebody's international and decides they're September, October, or November, I will go get another stamp. I'm going to the post office tomorrow, mail out some packages. I'll pick up another one. You know, I'm there at least maybe once or twice a month. So getting picking up stamps is easy. So please join the birthday card club. I would love to send you a card and recognize you and your special month, really, because it's not just your day. It would be the whole month. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn that red button into gray, and join the fam. You have to be publicly subscribed to enter my giveaways. And August, they're mediocre for giveaways, but come September and October, I have some nice ones. For August, I'm going to be doing I did it for July, a surprise $25 gift card giveaway. That's coming up soon. I'm not sure what video I'm going to pick. And I'm just I'll film the process and post it on my normal Sunday announcement. And somebody's going to win a $25 gift card to Sephora, Ulta, or Amazon. Now, if you live outside of the United States, Canada, because, you know, probably outside of the U.S., we'll have to figure something out, whether it be a PayPal type thing, because I don't know if I can get you Sephora, Ulta, or Amazon, but we would discuss that and take care of that. It's open to anyone who wants to enter that's publicly subscribed. So comment on videos, because that's how I'm going to pick a winner. If I decide I'm picking the video that appears on the 10th of August and you commented, you're going to be entered for that gift card. I'm not picking the 10th of August, just tell you that right now. I don't know what video I'm going to pick, but I'm going to pick one and give away a $25 gift card. Figured if I did one a month, summer months are slow for revenue for YouTube. Not a lot of people watch. So once things start to pick back up in the fall, I would love to do at least 2 of them a month. That would be my goal. And I appreciate every one of you. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye-bye now.